How to lock or unlock your keyboard on Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to know that in order to lock or unlock your keyboard, you simply need physical keyboard but not on-screen keyboard. So on your physical keyboard, find the shift key, either the left or right one. Press and hold the shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. After holding the key, you will hear a long beep sound, and a pop-up message will appear on your screen. The message will ask if you want to enable the filter keys features, that is the part of ease of access settings, and click on Yes button. After that, your keyboard will be locked on your Windows 11 and you won't be able to type anything. So, if you wish to unlock your keyboard, again you need to press and hold the shift key for another 8 to 10 seconds. And again you'll hear the same long beep sound, indicating that your keyboard is now unlocked. You can open an app like Notepad and try typing to confirm that your keyboard is working again. So this method uses the filter keys feature which temporarily disable the keyboard. And always remember to hold the physical keyboard shift key, not on an screen keyboard. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.